Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming that your Microsoft 365 account has Loop enabled and that you're signed into Outlook. Once signed in, open a new Compose window in Outlook Desktop or Outlook on the web and place the cursor where the content should live. Next, choose Insert, then Loop Components, and pick the Loop component you need: table, task, or paragraph. This embeds a live, collaborative module in the message so recipients can edit the same content without attachments. Once the component is inserted, configure its permissions so collaborators can edit or only view. Make sure to set the right level before sending. You can mention people inside the loop to assign actions and clarify responsibility, which keeps work visible and actionable. While collaborators edit, you'll see live changes. Use the component's history or version options to review prior states. Make sure to explain expected scope and deadlines in the message, so edits stay focused and useful. To finish, send your message and allow recipients to edit the Loop component inline in Outlook or in the Loop app. Changes sync automatically. If edits don't appear, first reload Outlook or the browser, then confirm everyone has edit permission and the account is on the same tenant. Once work is complete, copy or export the final content to a doc or save a snapshot. If you still see sync problems, clear cached credentials and sign back in to refresh access tokens and permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.